About to experience something extraordinary because Lenovo is taking center stage. Now, Lenovo has always been a force of innovation, driving technology that connects us, empowers us, and now, through AI, redefines what's possible. At the heart of it all is a visionary leader, Lenovo's chairman and CEO, Yuanqing Yang, or as many know him, YY. He believes technology should elevate humanity, not just efficiency. That belief drives Lenovo's vision, smarter AI for all. So get ready for a truly next level experience, the global debut of Lenovo's Tech World at CES. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Lenovo's chairman and CEO, Yuanqing Yang.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Lenovo Tech World at the CES. Brought to you from the one and only Sphere. Thank you for choosing to spend this evening with us. An evening with AI taking center stage. Nowadays, AI is no longer just generating answers. writing code, creating images, and producing videos. AI is quickly evolving and gaining new capabilities, sensing our three-dimensional world, understanding how things move and connect, learning our logic and complexity, and interacting with reality in ways never seen before. AI is everywhere. For each of us, this transformation is deeply personal. AI will sharpen your intuition, boost your creativity, and inspire your imagination. Because AI is learning from a unique source, your own language and expressions, habits and preferences, experiences and memories. Therefore, AI has the opportunity to augment, elevate, and maximize human potential. For your business, the impact could be even more profound. AI is not just helping you streamline a process or optimize a workflow. It empowers your organization to use your own operational data, learn your own processes, and apply your own decision logic to draw insight and create value while evolving into a self-learning, self-reinventing entity. So this is just the beginning of a new chapter, when technology and humanity synergize, and the digital world and the physical world finally come together. Now, we invite you to see how Lenovo brings AI to you directly. Every person is unique. Every organization is different. No single AI model or device can meet everyone's needs. One size never fits all. Perhaps you are no longer satisfied with the AI outcomes generated from generic information or public sources. You want something that is distinctly yours. Lenovo is here to deliver exactly that. Personal AI, designed around individuals, brought to your fingertips, anywhere and on any device. Enterprise AI, designed around the full value chains in your organizations, uplifting your day-to-day operations, empowering your employees. Together with the public AI, they shape a new era, hybrid AI. In fact, a great friend of mine shares a similar vision. Let's welcome the founder and the CEO of Nvidia, Jensen Huang. Welcome back to Lenovo.
Hey, Las Vegas.
So Jensen, we recently had our partnership day at Nvidia. We showcased our collaboration journey, our joint innovation in full stack of IT hardware, PCs, workstations, high-performance computers, GPU servers, data center, as well as physical AI, robots, and vehicle computing. So this partnership day marked a new milestone in our 3-decade partnership, right?
3 decades, wow.
Yeah.
I don't think we're that old, are we?
Yeah,
3
we're
decades.
still younger. Still can work 30 years.
YY was in his 20s when we first met.
Yeah,
You were?
20 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Late 20s. I was in my early 30s.
Yeah. So absolutely, so Jensen. So this AI era presents enormous opportunities for both of our companies. So we set a goal to quadruple our business over 3 years, probably can less. So Jensen, you always talk about the 3 waves to propel AI: accelerated computing, generative AI, and now agentic and physical AI. And yesterday you did a special speech here at CES. So can you share with our audience what will be the next big thing in AI?
Yeah, you know, when you and I first met, it was during the beginning of the PC revolution.
Yes.
And it was a major platform shift from mainframes and data center client server systems to personal computers. You and I have seen several other platform shifts since, from PCs to internet to cloud, cloud to mobile cloud. And now there's a new platform. The definition of a new platform, and you see a platform shift when applications are built on a different computer. During that platform shift that we started in, applications started to become built on Windows and PCs. Now, applications are built on AI. AI is going to be the foundational layer, almost the operating system. These large language models are essentially the operating systems of future applications. But this platform shift is so deeply profound because not only is the platform for applications changing, but the entire computing system underneath is being reinvented. From classical applications written on CPUs, running on CPUs, to now AI applications running on GPUs. And so the last 30 years that we've known each other, the last, if you will, 10, 15 trillion dollars of the IT industry's investment now needs to be reinvented, modernized, which is the reason why we're looking at these $1 trillion opportunities ahead of us. Now, this platform shift starts with accelerated computing, and we're now changing the computers from classical to accelerated computing, but now on top of it, we have agentic AI, and we have generative AI, and now agentic AI on top of that. So I think this platform shift is just so incredibly profound, and now so many new companies are being started. Just last year, $150 billion of investment went into AI native companies, and companies, gigantic companies, are now shifting their R&D from classical R&D methods to now AI methods.
Yeah, so from traditional compute to cloud compute, then to AI compute.
That's right.
Yeah. But and do you think that in the future,
and we, you know, as you know, we created this new system, and this new industry is going to need a new infrastructure. We call it AI factories.
Yeah.
And these AI factories started with Hopper. Hopper was, if you will, the first generation that really took off. And we're now in the generation of Grace Blackwell. And last night, we introduced a new generation called Vera Rubin. Incredible technology, 6 brand new chips, new CPUs, new GPUs, new networking switches. And this entire system is not only incredibly powerful, but it's going to reduce the cost of token generation, so the cost of AI generation, while increasing the throughput of AI generation. So a big lift, about 10 times generational leap from Blackwell, and Blackwell was 10 times of Hopper. So the technology is moving incredibly fast.
But besides the AI training demand, so it seems AI inference will become the new trend. So that will demand more and more compute as well, right?
In the last several years, AI models have been increasing 10 times per year. The size of the models is kind of like the size of the application. Went from 100 billion to a trillion going to 10 trillion. These models are gigantic in scale. Not only that, because of reasoning AI and agentic systems, the AI is thinking a lot longer before it generates the answer. It comes up with, you know, its own chain of thought, and it reasons about whether the answer is the best answer it can provide you. Might even reflect on that answer, maybe do some research, use tools, and generate the best answer for you. The number of tokens is also growing incredibly fast. The combination of size of the model, the token that are the thinking tokens that's being generated as a result, the amount of computing that we need is just growing exponentially. It's incredible.
Yes, Jensen. So our visions are completely aligned. At the Tech World last year, we unveiled the Lenovo Hybrid AI Advantage with Nvidia together. Since then, we have announced multiple joint innovations almost each quarter. So today, we have something big to announce again. We are launching the Lenovo AI Cloud Gigafactory. with Nvidia. It works with thank you. It works with the new Ruben platform we just announced yesterday. It helps the cloud providers to achieve time to first token much faster and scale to hundreds of thousands of GPUs for trillion parameter large language models. So Jensen, what does this mean for us and for our customers?
You know, one of the things that inspired this collaboration between us is the fact that Lenovo builds most of the world's supercomputers. Very few people know this. 1/3 of the world's top 500 supercomputers are built by Lenovo. That skill of manufacturing the systems, really complicated systems, and also installing these large systems into supercomputing centers is an expertise that Lenovo has. And so the question is whether we could, in a lot of ways, package, productize Lenovo's expertise in manufacturing, installing, bringing up, and turning these systems from computers into an AI factory for customers as quickly as possible. And that was the big idea. I think the customers are going to be able to, these systems are so expensive and they're so complicated, there's so much technology inside. The customers want to be able to deliver the first token and put it to work as fast as possible.
Yeah.
And so this is a big opportunity for Lenovo.
So other than that, so Lenovo also bring natural liquid cooling technology into this picture. So we are the only company, as you just said, that can combine in-house design, in-house manufacturing, and global services at this scale. So this is definitely another big leap in our partnership. So thank you very much, Jensen, for joining me today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care, guys. Have a great show.